Hello, welcome to Storytime Read Along with me. Hi friends, today we are reading Peppa Pig, Nature Trail and Daddy Pig's Old Chair. Peppa Pig, Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are so busy following animal footprints that they manage to get lost. How will they find their way back to the car to have their picnic? Peppa Pig, Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mummy Pig asks Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic.
As if I would, laughs Daddy Pig.
They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mummy and Daddy Pig ask Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mummy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh. Peppa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mummy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints.
The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig.
Where? Asks Peppa. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They are eating worms, says Peppa. That's disgusting. Chirp, 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 chirp. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants, collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch. I think it's time for lunch, says Mummy Pig. But Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car.
My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We'll have to follow our own footprints back to the car.
Suddenly it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Asks Mummy Pig. Quack, quack. Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Duck, can you help us find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to the car. We're here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Duck, cries Peppa.
I love picnics, laughs Daddy Pig.
The ducks love picnics too, quack quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants, munch munch. Everybody loves picnics, cries Peppa. Peppa Pig, Daddy Pig's old chair. Naughty Mummy Pig has given Daddy Pig's favourite old chair to the jumble sale. How is he ever going to get it back? Daddy Pig's old chair. The school roof has a hole in it. We are going to have a jumble sale, announces Madame Gazelle. The money we raise will pay for a new roof. Everybody has to bring something to sell. Later, Peppa is in her bedroom choosing a toy to give to the jumble sale. Mr. Dinosaur, she says. Everybody gasps, and George bursts into tears. You can't give away Mr. Dinosaur, says Mummy Pig.
Why don't you give your old Jack-in-the-Box, suggests Daddy Pig.
Oh, OK, agrees Peppa. Now it's your turn, Daddy. What are you going to give? Daddy Pig is not sure. What about your old squeaky chair? Suggests Peppa helpfully.
But it's very old and valuable, says Daddy Pig.
Hee hee, says Mummy Pig. You found it on a rubbish tip. When Madame Gazelle arrives in her truck, Mummy Pig, Peppa and George give her everything to take to the jumble sale.
Naughty Mummy Pig gives her Daddy's squeaky chair too.
Daddy Pig will never notice. She whispers to Peppa. It is the day of the jumble sale. There are lots of things to buy. Mummy Pig wants to buy some fruit and vegetables. Daddy Pig wants to buy a chocolate cake. Peppa, says Miss Rabbit, how about buying this chair? It's a bit of rubbish, but you can chop it up and use it for firewood. But Daddy said it's very old and worth lots of money, says Peppa. All Peppa's friends have given something to the jumble sale. Susie has given her nurse's outfit. Pedro has given his balloon. And Candy has given her skipping rope. I will miss my Jack-in-the-Box, sighs Peppa. I will miss playing at nurses, says Susie sadly. Peppa's friends all think they will miss their toys, so they buy them back again.
Look what I've bought, snorts Daddy Pig. It's an antique chair to match my old one. Oh, Daddy Pig, laughs Mummy Pig.
It matches your old one because it is your old one, snorts Peppa.
But Miss Rabbit has just charged me lots of money for it, says poor Daddy Pig.
Fantastic news, says Madame Gazelle. We have just raised all the money we need for a new school roof. Hooray!
Everybody cheers.
Whoa! What are we reading next time, Peppa? Wow! Join me next time for 5 Peppa Pig books. Peppa goes swimming, splash splash. Peppa goes skiing, swoosh swoosh. Peppa goes boating. Peppa goes on holiday. Peppa goes camping. See you next time, friends.